In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Chase Overdraft Protection. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so your checking account can automatically pull funds from a linked savings account if you don't have enough at checkout. This feature is designed to help you avoid declined transactions and potential overdraft fees, but remember that eligibility fees and limits can vary by account, so always review the details on screen as you go. Start by signing into your Chase account using the mobile app or the website. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're using the official Chase app or site. If the app prompts you to update, it's a good idea to do that first so the menus match what you'll see here. Once you're in, you'll land on your account's overview. Next, open your primary checking account from the list. Overdraft protection is managed at the checking account level, so you'll need to be inside that account's details to set it up. On mobile, this typically looks like a tile you can tap. On desktop, it's a link to your checking account page. Inside your checking account, look for the setting labeled Overdraft Protection or an option that says Link a Backup Account. Depending on your view, this may appear under Account Services, Overdraft Settings, or a More or Settings menu. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down the account page. It's often grouped with Payment and Transfer Preferences. Select that option to open the setup screen. Now choose a Chase savings account to link as your backup. The account you pick should be one you own and want to use as the source of automatic transfers when your checking balance is short. Keep in mind that the savings account must have available funds for the transfer to work, and certain savings account terms may limit the number of transfers you can make in a statement cycle. If you have multiple savings accounts, pick the one you typically maintain with a buffer. Finally, review the summary on the confirmation screen. You'll see the checking account being protected, the savings account serving as backup, and a brief description of how transfers occur when your balance can't cover a transaction. Read any disclosures about fees or limits, then confirm to turn it on. You should see an on-screen success message, and you may receive a confirmation email as well. The change usually takes effect quickly, and you can return to the same area if you ever need to turn it off or switch the linked savings account. That's it. You've turned on overdraft protection, giving your checking account a backup plan while you manage your day-to-day spending.